Atticus, what exactly are you doing, buddy?
The lazy way. You must be getting tired.
Is Mommy just gonna go get you the bubbles and? Are you gonna get up now? You lazy bumpkin? Oh,
Okay, why don't you get some bubbles now?
Oh, Mama's just gonna get the bubbles?
You just sit here while I get them for you.
Oh, now you can't get upset, Atticus. Mommy's getting the bubbles for you.
I'm doing you a big favor.
Yeah, you just say thank you, Mama.
Do you want to do the bubbles? Do you want to do bubbles or do you want me to do it? Do you want to do it? Okay, I'll give you the elephant. You can do bubbles. Oops, you have to push on the sides.
Atticus, can you give Dad bubbles?
Here, hold it on the sides. Oh, you think there's nothing on there.
He's gonna go get it himself. No, he doesn't do bubbles, Atticus. Only the elephant does bubbles. Yeah, the elephant. Can you put the elephant in?
Oops. Oh, we're not going to throw the elephant, though, because he does bubbles.
Uh-oh. You're around and around we go. When we end up on the ground, nobody knows. How many rotations until you fall down, Atticus? 5? What's the over-under? Place your bets now. Oh. Careful, Addie. Watch out.
Okay, are you steady? Oh. Okay, let's go over on the mat. If you're gonna do more, it's okay. Okay, you gonna do more spinning? Do you want to spin with Panda?
Did you?